So hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I just got a really great thing. So my friend just gave me a present from nowhere. So this is the present and it have a whole kitty. Pretty cute. So as you can see, there's a mystery present in here and I don't know what is it. So let's open it. Okay, so I'm opening it. So let's see. Is there any zip here? Whoa, what is this? Wait, I need to put this away. So this is the present, everybody, and I don't know what is it. So it said Dan B slime thing and slime handmade. So it's a slime, everybody, and you know I very love slime. So let's put this away a little bit and talk about slime. So as you can see, slime is my favorite kind of toy. So slime is like, it's very soft, it's stretchy, and it's pretty good in the when you're boring. Okay, so today you're gonna find out what a slime is and let's see how you can play it. So if you're the beginners of slime, then see this video, but remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment heart if you like. So let's unbox this. So look like this is like a unicorn 3-color pastel. I just very good now. Okay, let's open this thing. So this is the slime. Wait, there's something more in here. Look guys, what is that? It's some accessories. So let's put it away. And this one. So we got like this activator. It's in Vietnamese, so I don't know. This is like some soft thingy bobs. So these are the charms, this accessory guys. There's a spoon to mix something, I don't know. So I already washed my hands. So this is the first step, everybody. You need to wash your hand before playing the slime. And when you play done, you still need to wash your hand again. So I got some tools to play too. And I got some like mini things, some more things to explore with, some charms right here. So let's try and unbox this first. So the smell is just like cotton candy. So as you can see, look at the 3 colors. It's pretty beautiful. And if you love pastel, you need to buy this. So these are the charms. And I have a bottle, so I think we could put this in here. So let's try. So I already opened it. Now I gonna just get this thingy out and just gonna pour in. So wait a minute. So I'm pouring this in. Whoa. So this came out about a mess. So it's okay guys. So these are the things and now we need to get it in. So this is just like sprinkle that we put on cupcake. Who bake some cupcakes? This is the time you could practice. Okay, so I haven't even baked something. So today I'm gonna try like I'm baking a cupcake. And this is the sprinkles. So it look pretty cute. So I'm gonna put it in here. Okay. The charms I'm not gonna put it in because I don't like it for some reason. So I pretty love slime and I think these activators we could do another slime. So watch in the next video. And okay, you need to subscribe now or give a like to this video or maybe watch this video or something. Almost done everybody. Wait for me. Okay, so we put all our charms and things in. So this is the thing and it looks pretty cute. So the charm is cinnamon donut. How cute. I don't want to mess this color up. It looks so beautiful. What color will it make? Purple, I think. So I think we need to put a little of this. I don't care about it. So now let's put these on this and then put the charm and then we can play it. And I want to know your step. Okay, first step. You need to open the slime lid. Get the charm sprinkle thing. Open the lady boy. And then it's time for the fun time. So as you can see, as look just me. So I'm putting this thing, as you can see, it's going on. So I putting all of it in, and I think I put all of it. So there's some sprinkle on the ground, so I just get this in. And guys, look, it's pretty beautiful. Now I just need to spread this so long. Get my cinnamon charm, put it somewhere. Guys, look, it's pretty cute. And it looks pretty good. I just want to mix it up now. But wait guys, I have another charm here. It's a heart, so we can stick this in. And it became beautiful. I don't think we should do this, but wait, let's just do some ASMR things. Okay, it's the time we can mix it up. So this is so expensive, so I think it's well worth it, right? So now I'm getting this to put this out, and 3, 2, 1. It's so good. So gonna get it all out. Look, everybody, the slime. So just gonna mix it up. So it's a cloud slime, so it's pretty sweaty. Oh, my hand's getting sweaty. I pretty love it, guys. So the cinnamon charm is getting it off. I don't think you should put a charm, but you should put the stars. So goody boy, it's so stretchy. But my hands are getting like some tingy on it. But the sound is pretty, so just hear it. Yeah, just hear it. So it's pretty good. And when you're done, remember to wash your hand. Wow, so stretchy. So this is the time you could play it. Wait, but I think it's a bit... I want to put this thing in. There's some thingy on the table. So ASMR satisfying ASMR slime I ever been through all this time of my life. I want more stars for some reason, but I think I got some idea. Wait, what is this thingy about in here? Okay, this thing's kinda not stretchy, and let's put it in the bin. So it's super ASMR. I don't want to keep stretching it. Wait, but this is not good. If you're under 6 years old, don't even think about playing this. Cause this is, if you're so small, you think this is food, right? Look like cotton candy, and this have the scent just like cotton candy. So if you're under 6 years old, don't eat this. But I'm actually 8 years old, and it's almost my birthday, so I'm gonna go to 9 years old. So this is so ASMR, but my hand are getting kind of saucy back. So when you're done, remember to wash your hands, cause this slime's pretty ASMR, but the table's gonna die today. I'm just gonna get some of the bread thing so I can put this on. This is pretty stretchy. I love how it came off. And this is how a slime works. As you can see, if you see something that is very dirty, you just need to put the slime on and all the dirty thing go on the slime. You can make it even tricks. So let's see, this is water and I put it on my dad's computer and my dad thing is water for real. But I don't think so that happened. So I pretty love my friend. So they really give interesting present, and I'll keep this for the end of the life. And I love cloud slime. They're so dressed. They're so kizzy boy. Just look at that. Can you see how it's just ASMR? And I think I'll put some of this thing in so I can make it more gooder. Well, softer, everybody. This came out softer. So I got some tools. So I'm gonna get my scissors and cut this out. It's pretty soft. So you need to buy this slime, everybody, and don't put it on the face, or else you got some kind of sick. So don't eat it, don't do it anything, just play it. Okay, I love it how we can shape it, we can mold it. Actually, you can make picture of it. So I'm getting this thing. It's so stretchy, I can't even rip it. Okay, let's make it into a circle. This is bingsu slimed. So I got a circle. Now I'm gonna make two of the ears. So I'm gonna make just a catty boy, a bear. Then I'm gonna get some tingy bobs out. So let's see, cinema on it, and I make a thing. So it's a little pretty worse, but I like it. So the slime's pretty dressed, and I want this for years already, everybody. So buy it. Tell your mom and dad to buy it. Whoa, whoa. So I will have a birthday in the 29th of April 2025. Pretty cool, everybody. I will have some present, some ASMR foam slime, some ASMR foam slime for my birthday present. Well, actually my hand's getting dirty. So ASMR. Wow. Introducing slime. Wow. I love slime. They are my favorite kind of toy. Least one. Top one, not top two. And I'm gonna put my whole kitties on it. Whoa. Oosh. Oosh. Look like her whole kitty got a... Oh my god. They didn't have a great day at all, so sorry, Hello Kitties. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think I have something on the table now. And I'm making it worse. So what is thing? Who made this? Need to comment me. How does thing work? Just play with it and you see it. So... what do we do now? I'm just stretching it for my stretch boy. Today's a really great day. I buy a lot of things, and this is just like a mermaid. Oh. Wait, actually, if you subscribe me, watch a lot of times, use another phone to subscribe, you got this free. Don't need to buy it, everybody. For real. If you want these slime, and I will introduce you about more slimes in the next video. I will try to buy more slime, so I will buy some watermelon slime or maybe some cute Sanrio slime. Maybe that. Okay, I think I got my stretchy out. This is the last time I stretch. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this and go wash my hands, cause this is pretty not good. Okay. So the color is purple. No, I don't like purple. Actually, I like purple, but I want a blue or a pink slime. So we need to put cinnamon charm on it. Close it. Oh. Okay. Now, guys, I gotta wash my. It's on the ground. It's on the ground. No joking. So just gonna go wash my hand a little, guys. So pause this. Just gonna clean my hand now. So, wait, guys. So this is a little sis, but I think I need to clean the table. So just a minute. So here's the wet wipes. So I'm not gonna go anywhere again, ever again. This turned out pretty gross, so this is the worst thing I ever seen. The slime's pretty good, but when you play, don't play it on a table like me, because I think it causes a lot of trouble. No. Wet wipes didn't work, so I'm gonna get the tissue, the normal tissue. I'm so scared. This thing didn't work. Need to do it for myself. Whoa. This thing would never go off. And that's water. So wet wipes is made out of water. Why? So it's pretty good now. Not good, but still gooder. Okay, now I learned a lesson from this slime video. You guys gotta put this in a bin. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so it's been a great day doing that. So, okay guys, now the slime is good. Just gonna do something now. So guys, do you have a great day today? So, like the video, please subscribe it, please, so I can have more courage to do the other video. Okay guys, bye bye guys, and please subscribe, please. My channel haven't even got subscribers this year. It's worse than I thought. So today I have a thought I will make a slime video, cause I have an amazing slime. So guys, please subscribe. I need more subscribers. I just have 25 subscribers, or maybe even less. I can't even tell with everybody, but I have not so much subscriber. I need some subscriber now. Okay guys, please help me to upgrade my channel to make it even more than the other channel. Please. Okay guys, and if you do that, I will buy more slime to introduce you. I will give you slime and share this video to your friends and family. Also, I can even play some Sky this game. Okay, so bye bye everybody, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye bye and see you in the next video.